Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the install won't stall. First, make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated and you're signed into a Microsoft account. This lets the app sync games and subscriptions. Once done, verify 12 GB free and a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection because downloads fail on flaky networks. Now open Microsoft Store and search Xbox app. That kicks off the installation flow so you can continue without delays. You'll download and configure the app next. Click Get or Install in the Microsoft Store and watch the progress indicator. While installing, allow required permissions for storage and network to let games and cloud saves work correctly. After installation, sign in with your Microsoft account. Enable Game Pass or cloud saves if applicable so your library syncs. Finally, set your preferred install drive and adjust capture or streaming options. These choices optimize performance and prevent later reconfiguration. You're at the finish line. Launch the Xbox app, allow any additional driver or DirectX updates it requests, and sign into Game Pass to validate access. Test Cloud Play or local streaming to confirm functionality, and connect your console through the console companion if needed. If something goes wrong, reset the app via Settings, reinstall from the Microsoft Store, or run the Windows Store app's troubleshooter. These steps fix most permission or corrupted install issues, so you can get back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.